So hi students, in last class we discussed some properties of the cyclic group. So that last property is a cyclic group of order D has phi of D generators. Cyclic group of order D has phi of D generators. Based on that one we can solve some problems. If you know the order of the cyclic group, we can find the number of generators and also we can find the generators. Okay, so the generators of that cyclic group. So ನಮಗೆ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನರೇಟರ್ ಇದೆ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಆ ಜನರೇಟರ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದು ಅದನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆ, yes, let us see this one. Find the number of generators of cyclic group of order 8. So already solved one problem. So this is the second one. So in this one, so this is the cyclic group of order 8. So the integers which are less than 8 and prime to 8 are, so just we need to find that one. Okay, so 8 andre it is very small number. We can find the numbers which are relatively prime with 8. So ಈಗ ಒಂದು 120 ನೋ 180 ನೋ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ 8 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಜಿ ಬಿ ದಿ ಸೈಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ 8. let G be the cyclic group of order 8. So it is a cyclic group of order 8. So therefore number of generators of G is equal to phi of 8. So phi of 8 means we can easily find that phi of 8. So you write this 8 as 2 4s are 2 2s are. So you can write 8 is equal to 2 cube. I give one formula alva eno. So n is equal to p1 to the power of alpha 1, p2 to the power of alpha 2 and so on. So then phi of n is equal to n into 1 minus 1 by p1 into 1 minus 1 by p2 and so on like that. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಅದೇ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ರೈಟ್ 8. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ 8 ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರ್ತಿದೀವಿ, 2 ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತಿದೀವಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಎಸ್ ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ 2 into 2 into 2. ಸೊ 3 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ 2 ಅಂದ್ರೂ, ಸೊ ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಒಂದು ಸಾರಿ ಮಾತ್ರನೇ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 1 minus 1 by 2 which is equal to 8 into 1 minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2 is equal to 4. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ 8 ಜೊತೆ ರಿಲೇಟಿವ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು ಯಾವ್ಯಾವುದು? ಸೊ ಯು ಸಿ, okay, I'm writing that here. So 8, okay, usually 1 is relatively prime with all the numbers. So 1 is relatively prime with 8. Okay, and GCD of 1, 2 and 4, 2 and 8 is not 1. GCD of 3 and 8 is 1. GCD of 5 and 8 is 1. GCD of 7 and 8 is 1. GCD of 7 and 8 is 1. So therefore the integers less than 8 and prime to 8 and relatively prime to 8 are, so ಯಾವ್ಯಾವುದು 1 3 5 7. How many numbers are there here? How many integers are there? 4 integers. We already find that one. Already ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ 4 ಯಾವುದು, 4 integers ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. Okay, 1 3 5 7. So on generators, you can write the generators also. If So okay, you can write the base. If you know the basic generator, or you write, so that four generators are, that four generators are, if you consider that A is the generator, if one of the generator is A, so the remaining generators are A cube, A to the power 5 and A to the power 7. A cube, A to the 5, A to the 7. Okay, like that. Yes, find the number of generators of the cyclic group of order 24. So same problem. Let G be the cyclic group of order 24. Okay, you take this. Let G be the cyclic group of order. Let G be the cyclic group of order 24. Okay, so order of G is 24. You can write this 24 as 24 na hege baribodu. So as a prime factors again, 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 six are 2 threes are. So therefore you can write 24 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, which is equal to 2 cube into 3 ಆಯ್ತು ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಜನರೇಟರ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಫಸ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಜನರೇಟರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ G, number of generators of G is equal to phi of 24. Phi of 24 means ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೀತೀರಿ ಈಗ. So phi of 24 is equal to 24 into 1 minus 1 by P1. P1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 into 1 minus 1 by 3 ಕೂಡ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ. Okay, which is equal to 24 into 1 by 2 into 3 minus 1 is 2 by 3. 2 cancels. 3 ones are 3 eights are. 3 ones are 3 eights are. Okay, so how many generators are there? So 8 generators. So if you wanted to find that generators, you have to identify the numbers which are relatively prime to 24. 24 ಜೊತೆ relatively prime ಇರೋ numbers ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. numbers ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ. So which are the numbers relatively prime with 24? 1 and 24 GCD is 1, and 224 GCD 1 ಅಲ್ಲ. 3 is not relatively prime with 24. 4 is not relatively prime with 24. 5 and 24 GCD is 1. Not 6. 7 and 24 GCD is 1. Not 8. Not 9. 9 ಬರುತ್ತಾ? No, it's not. Because the GCD 3 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 9 ಮತ್ತೆ 24 ದು. So not 9 and 24. 10 and 24 ಬರಲ್ಲ. 11 and 24. 13 and 24. And not 15, 16 ಬರಲ್ಲ. 17 and 24. 19 and 24. 23 and 24 GCD also 1. Okay, so therefore generators are number of generators ಎಷ್ಟು 8. ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ್ದು? ಸೊ ಆ ಜನರೇಟರ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ a to the power 5, a to the power 7. ಇದನ್ನ ನೋಡಿ, ಇದನ್ನ ಬರೀತಾ ಇರೋದು ನಾನು. a to the power 11, a to the power 13, a to the power 17, next a to the power 19, a to the power 23. These are the generators. Okay. So if the group operation is addition ಇದ್ದಾಗ power ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ multiply ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀರಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. multiply ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀರಿ. So what if in case of binary operation is addition, so then one of the generator is generator, then A is one of the generator, then other generators are of the form k into 1 with kn is equal to so that is relatively prime with 1 when order of G is n. Okay, find the number of generators of the cyclic group Z18 plus 18. Okay, what is the order of Z18? Z18 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್? 18 ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ್ದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0 1 2 3 up to 17 ತನಕ. So order of Z18 is 18. So now number of generators of Z18 is equal to, you can write it is phi of 18. So 18 ಅನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೀಬಹುದು? 18 can be written as 2 9s 3 3s. So it is 2 into 3 into 3, which is equal to 2 into 3 square, which is equal to 18 into 1 minus 1 by 2 into 1 minus 1 by 3, which is equal to 18 into 1 minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2, 1 minus 1 by 3 is 2 by 3, which is equal to 2 cancels, 3 1s are 3 6s. So generators are 6. There are 6 generators. So now we have to identify which are that generators. So integers less than 18 and prime to 18 are integers less than 18 and prime to 18. So which are relatively prime to 18 are 1 is relatively prime to 18, 5 is relatively prime to 18, 7 is relatively prime to 18, 11, 13, 17. Okay, ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು numbers? 3 plus 3 6 ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ. So there are 6 only. It has 6 generators. So and are 1 5 7 11 13 and 17. So that like this we can find the number of generators and that generators. So how many generators are there for the cyclic group of order 10? If A is the generator, what are the other generators? So first we take number of generators. Number of generators is equal to phi of 10. So you can write 10 as 2 into 5. So which is equal to 10 into 1 minus 1 by 2 into 1 minus 1 by 5, which is equal to 10 into 1 minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2 into this is 4 by 5. So 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are 10. This 10 cancel with 10. 4. So the integers which are less than numbers are integers less than 10 and prime to 10 are are 1, next 3, next 7 and 9. Okay, so therefore generators are, so they are given that A is one of the generator. Okay, so therefore generators are A, A to the 3, A to the 7, A to the 9. So the generators are A to the 3, A to the 7 and A to the 9. So okay, so next class I discuss one more important topic, that is Coset decomposition of a group. Okay, so till that you practice all these theorems, properties and some problems in this part, that is cyclic group. Thank you.